Yo, what up? Welcome to another live learning session with me, your host, Eugene Tang. Uh, we just covered how to create the basic Flask app, the database, and the authorization functions, the register, the login, the logout, and a wrapper function that makes sure that the that prevents people from seeing pages they need to be logged in to see. And now we're creating the HTML views. So this is what I thought we were creating last time, but I messed up. So um, let's create this. So base.html, uh, doc type HTML. Haha, I love autocomplete. Make a title here. Actually, I think this is going to be on the same line. So the title is going to be, and this is going to be one of those Flask things. This is a Flask specific structure, I guess. Huh? I don't know why it's telling me that. End block. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. What? Why is it? Why is this? What does this do? It. I think this is fine. Okay. Um. Yeah. And then they want to call it Flask. This is just once again following a tutorial that I'll put in the comments, but that's what they want. So, uh, title, not tight. Although this is tight. Tight, bro. Alright, anyway. Link. This will be a style sheet. Wow, the autocomplete on VS Code has gotten a lot better. Honestly, wow, yeah. I mean the ChatGPT stuff, the AI stuff is really here for us. It's gonna take all the software development jobs. I'm kidding. At least I hope so. Style.css. Oh, yeah, close this out. And then we'll add a nav bar here. It's the name of the app. So I'm pretty sure this if g.user. Let's make this I'm trying to make this consistent style, you know. So if the user exists, then we will make a span here of the user. Yeah, g.user.username probably. Username. Yeah. And then otherwise, and also we'll do an li here that will be a link. And this is like an HTML link, not like a link to a different file like the above link was. Href equals. Oh, okay. Well, looks like autocomplete is not here for our software jobs. Okay, let's see. URL for logout for auth.logout. Or is it? Okay, and that should be a logout button. Log out. No, this is the same UL. If, or this should be else, I guess. Else. I think we just don't need the block. Geez, what the hell? Lit. Yeah, lit is not an actual HTML thing, so we can register it and log in. So that should be a auth.register. Oh, I forgot to do this. I was like, what the hell is going on here? Oh yeah, okay. So this should be register. No, 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 no. I want to capitalize this word. Yeah, so, they could definitely do a better job of URL for auth.login. Why is this doing this? There we go. Login. Okay. And that should be it. And then, oh yeah, we need to NBF statement. That's so weird to me. This is like one of the, actually, I don't know if you do this in any other language, but I don't usually see this done in other languages. So, oh my God. I'm pretty sure the block content is actually pretty needed. So now we'll have a section for content. So this base HTML just kind of like provides the, like literally a base for our HTML pages. It puts out like the, it puts like a, this is basically just defines the navs bar. Cool. Header. We'll do a block header. And then we just end the block, which is so weird that this is like, it's so weird that this is how the templates are rendered. I think this is like Jinja. I think this is the type of way that we're inserting code here. It's like Jinja templates, I think. No, not really sure. Okay, now we have an interesting one. For message and get flashed. Oh my God. Messages. Where in the world do we do this already? Is this something we've written, or is this something we're writing? Or this is a Flask. This is a Flask function. Get flash messages. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Div class equals flash. And then we just flash the message. Then we end the for loop. And for. It's so weird. This is just, I mean, like, I know I've commented on this already, but like, just the strange kind of like syntax. And block. I think that's the end of the section. So now we need to go and create the register page. So templates, register.html. And so this is cool. So what we can do here is we can extends base.html. So we can extend the base page. Oh my God, I need it to stop like automatically getting rid of that for me. And now we can insert the headers and stuff. So block header. I need to not do that. I don't know why it automatically thinks I need that. And block. Alright, so this is going to be an H1. H1. I wonder if it'll just let me put it here. I don't know if I have to tab. In the tutorial it tabs, but fuck 'em. So this will be the register page. So then register. So I'm pretty sure what this does is it inserts the header here. And then we create the content block. I swear to God. And that's a form, so we're going to make a form. And our form is going to be sent through a post. Yep. And it's going to need some labels and some inputs. So label for username. And we're just going to call it username. And the input for name for username. Input user. Oh my God. And the ID is also going to be username. And we're going to make it required. And then we'll have another label, another input. So label for password. Password. Input password ID equals, guess what, it's going to be password, and it's also going to be required. And then another input, and it's going to be a submit. Oh, so this should be type password. Oh, it should be name password too, yeah. So I think type password hides that it's the it like makes it like asterisks when you like type it in basically. Register. And that should be it for this. Yeah, this is Jinja. Okay. Okay, so now we got login, which should basically be the same thing, except it should say login. So oh. Yeah, let's move these in there. So login, and then we'll just register. Register. Okay, so there's only two, and we'll just replace it with login. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole thing. Now let's see if this is running. Now that we can see that it's running, I'm gonna go to the Chrome page, and we're gonna go to /a/register. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. That's not good. Apparently I defined the block header twice, and that's not right. That is because this should be title. And I'm going to do the same thing here, so I don't look like an idiot. Let's try again. What's going on? Base is undefined. I see. Okay, so actually this should be in quotes. Okay, so let this be a lesson to everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Read your God, I wish this was in debug mode. Can I run Flask in debug mode? Oh, I forgot to show you what the changes are to the code. How do I do that? Okay. So this was supposed to be in quotes, and this was supposed to be title. All right. Now you can see this again. How do I constantly run this in code? Oh, is debug equals true here? Debug equals, well, let's, I wanna do it from the CLI. Can I run it like this? Flask run debug. What? Oh my god, what the heck? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? I'm going to show you what I'm doing again. Whoops, I always forget. Okay. What is the reloader? Okay, well, let's... Okay, well, let's do both of them. Reload, debugger. Cool. Haha, nice. Okay, cool. Register. So we'll register user test. Test. Yeah. So password will be also test. What happened? Oh, cannot build endpoint for auth login. Did you mean auth.login instead? Okay, so let me show you the screen. Oh, yes. Okay, so I got an internal server error when I tried to register the user. So you saw this here then. Where is that? 934. Redirect. Redirect URL for auth.login. Is that right? That might be the right one. That's probably right. Let's make sure that the login one is also cool. Redirect URL for index. Okay. Let's say test one. Oh, user test is already registered. Well, let's do test one, and let's do test one. Okay, so there's okay. Let's, yes, okay, so this is what it looks like, when test two. So that's what that looks like. So let's go to VS Code and make sure that it doesn't show none as the error. If error, if not error. If error, flash error. So let's change that in both the login and the redirect. Okay. So let's try again. Cool. Okay. And it should actually redirect us to auth.login, not to auth register. So I don't know why it's redirecting us to the wrong page. Okay, well there's an error with the login function. I'll just show you what I just tried to do. Okay, so we have to fix that. That's problematic. Could not build URL for endpoint index. Okay, so I don't have an index endpoint yet. That might just be because it's just not registered. So that's probably okay. We can deal with this later. Still, I'm confused why the register did not go to auth.login, redirect URL for auth.login. Should be this. Should load auth.login.html. I'm gonna have this print URL for auth.login. We'll see what happens here. And this is the register pathway. I'm also gonna have this, well, test 4. So let's see what happens if I register a user /auth/login. So why is it redirecting me to why isn't it redirecting me to the login page? Am I supposed to return this redirect? Is that what's supposed to happen? Return redirect. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm probably supposed to return this redirect. Okay. So let's try again. Test 6, test 6. Oops, test 6. There we go. Now we're on the login page. Okay. Cool. Oh, you couldn't see that. Well, here's what it looks like. I've registered so many users. Okay. Test 7, test 7. There, that's what it looks like. Cool. So next time we're gonna go figure out what the hell is going on with index. It's probably just because I don't have an index URL yet. So we'll take a look at that later. We'll take a look at that in the next episode, actually. So peace out. Make sure you follow and subscribe or whatever.